Welcome to Falle Engineering video series. Let's get started. We got them on the run. I'm David with Falle Engineering. We are not a pest control company. And let me explain the difference. I have a vested interest in eliminating pests. And I do it with computer modeling, with specialized traps. We do it with specialized trigger points that we use for your property. There's terms that we use in the office. That's what we do. I'm not a pest control company. I do not need to fail. I don't need to fail. What does that mean? I don't need to fail. A pest control company needs to fail. If they can get 2% of the traps, 2%, they need to fail. If they can get 2% of the rats and mice away from you, it would probably help. But they've had 100 years of doing this. They use snap traps that come over and snap the rat in the head, smack, right? They use snap traps. They use all kinds of things. That's what they do. You have to get a trap for rats, and then you have to get a little trap for mice, right? There are no scorpion traps. Well, they have glue boards. They have glue boards. That's a G. They have glue boards. They have a lot of stuff. It's all useless. Oh, and they have poison. Poison. They have poison. Doesn't work. Well, it does work, but only on a very small percentage of rats, and never the alpha rat. The alpha rat is the rat of control. He's the one that runs everything. He's the one that gets most of the chicks. You can have a cluster of an alpha rat here, or alpha rat here, and they're usually about 50 to 100 yards apart. We're not a pest control company. We're an engineering company. The engineering will help us with this problem. Pest control companies are really great in things that we don't do. We don't do exclusion. We don't set traps. We don't clean out rats. We don't do any of that kind of stuff. But I will design a system that will work for a couple buildings, a couple projects. We'll design it. We'll get it done. And we'll go, in most cases, with exclusion and with proper control on the environment, we can get a 97% exclusion rate of killing rats. The best you can do with a pest control company is 3. And let's say I'm off on 3 or 2, 3, doesn't matter. Let's say it's 10%. Well, if pest control companies were able to get it done, it'd be done. There are cities right now, rats everywhere, from the East Coast to the West Coast. There are old buildings that can be retrofitted. There are new buildings that we can work with the architect. There are boats. There are boats going into Monte Carlo all the time. They bring rats with them. There's boats going everywhere. They bring rats with them. They're everywhere. That's what sets us apart. Our goal is to win. And with your help, we'll get it done. Give me 20 minutes of your time. You'll be happy. I got your back. Any questions? My staff can help you. If you're not satisfied with my staff answer, I'll call you back. I return calls. It's my thing. That's what made me successful in real estate and as an engineer. We also do consulting services. We also do one thing that I really love. I love inventors. We have a 1 through 10 step process for other inventors. I want to see what you got. I want to see your invention. If I think it can work, we'll get it done. I'm open to that kind of stuff. One thing that I've learned a long time ago when I was young, people with little gray hair, know more than I did. Well, now I'm the guy with the gray hair. I love to give back. Yeah, if you're an inventor, give us a call. Send me an email. Let's take a look and see what you got. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. It may be I can give you a few pointers. Maybe you can call and give me a few pointers. This is a tribe. We're here to help each other. This works all over the world. Our system works in every single country in the world. 200 countries. We got it. Government buildings, arenas, any venue. I leave this up here to let you know where we're at. So that's all I got on this. But let's communicate. Send me an email. It may take me a day or two to get back to you, but I will get back to you. Anyway, once again, thank you, David, Falle Engineering.
I need you desperate.